Hello everyone, and welcome to challenge number 2. This is a classic challenge that people do in almost every programming language at the beginning of their journey. So, our challenge today is to prevent the underage friend of ours to vote. Open up your Eclipse program, come to the Package Explorer, let's create a new project. We will name it Challenge 2. Like always, you can go to the source, create a new package, then you can create a new class, name it main, with the main method inside it, and you can close any previous projects. So, I will start by creating a variable age, int age. Your job is to write a simple if-else statement that will inform the person who came to us if he is eligible to vote or not. Let's assume that we are in Europe and everyone is above the age of 18 has the right to vote. So pause the video here, start writing your code and resume the video when you finish to see my solution. Remember, in Java there are many correct ways to do the same thing. Welcome back! Did you make it? Let's see my solution. So, we have this variable age and we will give it a value of 20, for example. So, and we say if age is greater than 18, then inform our clients or our friends that you have the right to vote as your age is above 18. And you say else if that is not true, if your age is, for example, 18, so you can say the user, you are just at the right age to vote. Think carefully before you throw that vote. And if this is also not true, then else. Sorry, you are not yet 18. Thus, you can't vote. So, this is it. Pretty simple, but you know what? At this stage, the challenges will become harder and harder and harder as we move on. So enjoy this stage that the challenges are doable. So let's go through the code. We declare here a value and to our variable, and then we say if this expression here is true, if the age of the user is greater than 18, then execute this code, then print us, you have the right to vote as your age is above 18. If this expression is false, then check if this expression is correct, if the age is 18. If the age is 18, then execute this code and print this to the console. If both of them are false, this expression is false and this expression is false, else then you can print out this code for us. So we have a value here of 20. Let's see what happens. You have the right to vote as your age is above 18. If our user is 18, let's see what happens. You're just the right age to vote. Think carefully before you throw that vote. And if our user is 10 years old and wants to vote, let's see what happens. Sorry, you're not yet 18, thus you can't vote. This was our challenge. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have any questions, feel free to write them on the comment section below or send me a direct message. Thank you all for watching.